I've emptied it.
Like, we were just here, and I was shopping and I was like scurrying around it. It's really trippy. I'm not saying it wasn't right, but it sounded like something was alive around it. So we just... No stress.
Damn. How late again?
You having a date?
I don't know.
Oh, are they at university now then?
Well, Jenny was like, well, I'm going out tomorrow night, so I want to have a bit of a lie-in.
What, tonight? You going out tonight?
No, I was straight yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
And I said, well, we're going to be meeting at 10 o'clock, so you can be there if you want to be.
Oh, you're not?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, what did Ian say on the phone then?
It's alright, dude.
Sorry?
He said it was fine.
Oh, who's flight are you going to be at?
I'm sorry?
Whose flight are you going to go to?
Oh, we're not going to be in. Flight's going to be outside. Huh? No, I just gave up. Yeah. Oh shit. Shit. Ah shit. Oh. You motherfucker.
April Fool's, dude.
What? How?
Why?
I'm holding this thing in the toilet.
Did he get you? Did he get you? Oh. He's meant to squirt right at you. Here, look. Look, Howard. Howard.
You're not recording me. I'm not doing that.
Dude,